Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sid Meier's Civilization 6. To begin, select a leader and civilization, each offering distinct bonuses. Next, choose your preferred difficulty and map type, which significantly impact gameplay. You start with a settler to found your first city and a warrior for early exploration and defense. These initial choices lay the groundwork for your entire civilization's journey, so consider them carefully. After founding your first city, focus on expansion. Prioritize building districts such as the campus for science or the holy site for faith, depending on your strategy. Research new technologies and civics to unlock powerful units, buildings, and policies. Aim to settle 2 or 3 more cities quickly to secure valuable resources and expand your territory, setting a strong foundation for future growth. As your empire grows, you'll encounter other civilizations. Engage in diplomacy, forming alliances or trading resources to your advantage. Alternatively, build a robust military to defend your borders or conquer rival cities. Remember, there are 6 distinct victory conditions, including domination and culture. Your interactions with other leaders and your military strength are crucial for achieving your chosen path to victory. In the late game, focus intently on your chosen victory condition. Whether it's a science victory by launching a space mission or a cultural victory through tourism, every decision matters. Continuously manage your economy, ensuring a steady flow of gold and production. Be prepared to adapt your strategy, as rival civilizations will also be striving for victory. Strategic planning and execution are key to becoming the world's dominant power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.